Hello and good day. Welcome to today's episode of the Kannywood Reporter. We are going to show the top 10 highest paid actresses in the Kannywood Film Industry of the year 2018 to 19. The Kannywood Reporter is the only source that breaks you along the genuine facts within the industry. The Kannywood Film Industry is blazed with not to least but more than 500 young, beautiful, talented, brilliant, fashioned, and joyous with philanthropist actresses that are registered. It is delightful that in this episode, the Kannywood Reporter brings a list of the top 10 highest paid actresses of the year 2018 to 19. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel and visit our website at www.kannywoodreporter.com. Let's start with number 10. Zainab Indomie coming back to the industry with the blockbuster film titled Shetu. The actress was luckily the 10th of the highest paid actress of the year 2018 in the Kannywood film industry, having the least rate of $2,000. Number 9. Popularly known as Fati in the industry, she is jubilant, beautiful, humble, and modest actress that in the year 2018 was rated as the 9th highest paid actress in the Kannywood film industry, having the rate of $2,005. Number 8. Another young, beautiful, and household name actress, Maryam, whose first affair in the film titled The Jungler in the year 2008 was rated the 8th highest paid actress of the Kannywood in the year 2018, $3,500. Number 7. The young, beautiful, joyous, and popular actress Maryam hits the list of the Kannywood highest paid actress in the year 2018 with $4,000. Number 6. The blind role actress who mostly acted in a negative role on films that actually wasn't her real habit was the 6th highest paid actress with $5,000. Number 5. Jamila. Another household name actress, brilliant and simplest actress, Jamila has a rate of $6,750, being the number 5. Number 4. Aisha Samia, popularly known with Samia. Aisha is an actress that hits the list of the Kannywood top 10 paid actress with a value of $7,000. Number 3. Hadiza, the philanthropist lady and household name actress molded to any role by the film directors, was the third highest paid actress in the Kannywood film industry with $8,150. Number 2. The actress Nafisa Abdullahi, fulfilling in the industry Kannywood before first appearing in the Nollywood movie titled Blood and Hinna. She reached $9,000 for her to act in any movie. Number 1. The Kaduna-born actress that faces much challenges within the industry, which became a step for her to the success. She arrived today, become the first in the list with $10,000 for her to appear in any film. For any advice, questions, and critics, don't hesitate to interact with us in our social media platforms. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Kannywood Reporter, for more exciting videos on the latest and trending news from Kannywood film industry. Welcome, thanks for watching. Umar Abubakar.